Hello guys, today we have the Thrustmaster TCA Yoke Boeing Edition in the house for the unboxing and review in the later upcoming days on the channel. So today we'll be unboxing the Indian retail unit or the Thrustmaster Global unit, which I have purchased from flipkart.com, which is an online e-commerce platform that is mostly used in India for purchasing electronics and many other products. So we'll be unboxing this unit, and if you are from India and afraid to buy this from Flipkart, then there's no need to worry. Watch this unboxing video and then you can later on decide if you have to buy or not. So if you're looking for one of the best yokes for your flight sim experience or your home cockpit setup for xplane 12 or Microsoft Flight Simulator 2020 or the newly launched 2024, then make sure you watch this particular video till the end. Let's begin with the unboxing. This is the Thrustmaster TCA Boeing Yoke retail unit, which I had ordered from Flipkart, which is an Indian e-commerce online store. So this is the Indian unit which you will get if you buy from Flipkart. From Thrustmaster, this is their global unit. On the box it says it's the TCA Yoke Boeing, which is officially licensed by Boeing, and it's a 787 design yoke. The good thing is that this yoke is compatible with Xbox and PC both. So if you have either, the same yoke will work without any issues. Here are some photos of the product at this side. On this side of the box we got some information in many different languages since it's a global unit, and some photos of the other Thrustmaster products which are directly compatible with this yoke, like the TFRP rudder pedals, TCA Boeing throttle, headset. Let's move forward. This side has the photo of the yoke with numbered labels to let you identify the function and location of those buttons, so you know the yoke before you start. The information for those numbered labels is given at the bottom left at the box. I will read few of those. This yoke is a 1:1 scale of Boeing 787 yoke. It has 18 action buttons, mini joystick, landing gear, a tablet or mobile phone holder, and you can pause the video to read furthermore. Just to remind, this is not an imported unit but the official global unit from Thrustmaster, purchased in India. Now it's time to unbox, so let's go and see what goodies do we get inside. And I must say, Thrustmaster packs their products very nicely and their package have always been rock solid. I had purchased this from retail net seller on Flipkart. The first thing is the assembly manual sheet in the box. Let's move forward and see how is the unit packed inside. Wow, as you can see, it is very nicely and strongly kept between those cardboard trays, and these cardboard are very strong. Let's pull it out, and if you have decided to purchase, make sure you pull the yoke from the box the way I am so it doesn't fall, because if it drops, you know you lost it. The yoke along with the cardboard is very heavy, and I'm not joking. Pull it nicely and safely the way I am, which is very easy. Finally, the product is out of the box. Now let's throw away the cardboard. I just can't stop appreciating how good Thrustmaster packaging has been always. Very strong and durable. If you are buying it in India, make sure you buy from retail net seller on Flipkart. Next thing we get is the USB to Type-C cable to connect it with Xbox or PC, and a stainless steel mobile phone and tablet holder. We also get another instruction manual to help setting up the yoke. And here is the yoke. It's looking so beautiful, and now comes the best part. Removing the plastic, and wow, it feels so good. Now that's a yoke for your flight sim. I will remove the plastic completely now so that we can check it in more detail. By the way, the yoke has a lot of resistance and really needs good amount of force, which is quite nice. You definitely need some good arms, it's not a kid's toy. So here is the beautiful Thrustmaster TCA yoke. It looks very premium and durable. Now this yoke is compatible with both the most popular sims, which are msfs 2020, xplane 11, 12, and the newly launched msfs 2024 as well. So if you have or use any one of the home flight simulator, then this yoke will work for you out of the box. Let's take a little more closer look into the yoke's feature and its design. The first thing is the official Boeing branding on the yoke, giving a sense of close to the original feeling. Let me show you the buttons and switches on the yoke. This is the mini throttle, so if you don't have one, you can use this. The yoke handle feels very heavy. The 3 buttons are for chat, profile, sharing and menu on the Xbox, but it will also work inside MSFS on PC. You will get 8-way hat switch and 1 mini joystick on the yoke handle itself. We get landing gear switch, which is my favorite feature. The yoke has a very durable, heavy and strong build. This space is for the clamp and your desk to hold this yoke. The clamp will work, doesn't matter if you have a thick or thinner desk, it will fit. On the back side we get some ports. The first is to connect your Thrustmaster rudder pedals. Second is a switch to switch between PC and Xbox profile. Third is the USB port to connect Thrustmaster throttle, and the last one is to connect your yoke with PC or Xbox. At the front we have an Xbox button, so if you have Xbox you can use it. This is how the yoke looks like after unboxing. It's a 1:1 replica of the real 787 yoke and the design looks absolutely perfect. If you play MSFS or xplane or you are looking for a Boeing yoke, then you can purchase this to improve your home flight sim setup. The build quality is also impressive, but this is just the initial thoughts after unboxing and the initial hand feel. The full review of this yoke will be coming later on the same channel. So if you would like to see my experience with this yoke in MSFS and xplane both, then don't forget to subscribe, else you will miss the review and many more unboxing which are on the way. For today it's just about this. Talking about the warranty, it has 1-year warranty from Thrustmaster from the date of purchase. So if anything goes wrong with the item, we will have to contact Thrustmaster within the warranty period and they will do the RMA. I have also noticed that many flight simmers in India are afraid to buy this yoke and other flight sim products from Flipkart. There is nothing to worry about buying from Flipkart as long as the seller is RetailNet on Flipkart. I have purchased my computer monitor from this seller, Thrustmaster USB joystick and this yoke now, all from this particular seller, and it's not a scam. So don't be afraid. You can see the product which I have received is very good quality, and trust me, they are not a scam seller. So guys, this was the unboxing of the Thrustmaster's global retail unit, which is the Thrustmaster TCA Yoke for the Boeing Edition. If you found this video helpful and useful, make sure to hit that like button, and if you have decided that you would like to buy this unit, I have given the link for the flipkart.com website and the amazon.india website in the description down below. If you purchase from amazon.in, I will receive a support from your without you have to pay any extra amount to support the channel. So if you would like to support us, make sure you buy using the amazon.india link. But let me assure you, wherever you get cheaper, you can buy from that particular store. And guys, review will be coming later on as told in the beginning part of this video. So for the unboxing and the installation setup of this product with MSFS and xplane, then make sure you hit that subscribe button, because if you don't subscribe, you will miss the installation and review section of this particular unit. So for the review, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one in the installation, setup and the review of the Thrustmaster TCA Yoke Boeing Edition. Till then, take care. Bye bye.